the questions that come in the exam, and look at this as all the knowledge. Okay, this is all the knowledge in dentistry. Okay, the question that come in the exam is this green circle. Most of them. Okay, this means that some of everything you'll get. Okay, these details here are for specialists or researchers, are very detailed. Okay, you're not supposed to know them. Okay, you need to know these. Now the questions will come like this. Okay, the questions, most of them will be within the green, but you will get some from those. Okay, does that mean you have to expand your knowledge so that you cover all of this? No. No. I wouldn't do that because you'll never finish. You understand what I mean? Okay? Just because they brought a detail last time in the exam from radiology about cosmic x-rays doesn't mean I have to go into the detail of cosmic x-rays and become a specialist in it. Such a waste of time. Right? Or if you want to guarantee every detail in every subject, then you have to be a specialist in everything. Waste of time. Okay? You have to accept the fact that you're going to get details that you're not going to know. That's fine. They're there because they need to make sure you're not going to get 100%. You know, no one's going to get 100%. You need to. People fail because they screw up here, not because they screw up here. Okay, so make sure you focus on that green part. Know when you're stepping too far out of what you should be learning, and when you should be in. You know, okay, I'm in the right spot. Oh, that's a little bit too far. Now, if you see a question specifically asking about a detail, learn that detail, but don't go explore around it. Just learn that specific detail. Even some numbers I used to memorize. I'm just going to memorize. I'm not going to explore too much about that. It's too much detail. What if they brought a number about this thing and that thing? Do I have to go memorize all the numbers? Do you know what I mean? So I can't guarantee it. And this could change. So it could be like this. You don't know where the details are going to come from. Right? But you want to guarantee that middle part. Okay? Let's take a 5-minute break.